Hey, I'm Jason Andrews with BluOasis. I want to tell you about our BluOasis units and how we got started. In 2019, we were volunteering at a school in Southeast Asia, Laos. It was a remote village in the mountains, and this woman was educating kids, middle school and high school kids, and if they weren't in school, they were out in the rice fields and destined for a life of poverty. And we helped put together a solar power system for them, and it was really revolutionary. It allowed her to do is, first of all, they have unstable power grids, but second of all, she was paying $3,500 a year for her power bill, and she can feed and educate a kid for a full school year for $500. So it meant, taking 7 people and putting them in school and propelling them on a better life. And we thought, wow, it shouldn't be that hard to put together solar power system. It's not rocket science, but it is not simple either. And we had this vision: why can't solar power be as simple as setting up a desktop computer? Where I know nothing about software and electronics, but it shows up in the mail. I unpackage it, I plug in the keyboard and mouse and the monitor, hit the power button, it just works. And so that was our vision for BluOasis. So what we have here is our BluOasis unit. It's a fully integrated solar power system and atmospheric water generator. And what we do is we produce power and water from the atmosphere and sunlight. And what you see here is it shows up out of a box. You set up your solar panels, you plug them in to the front interface panel, and then you can interface the unit with a cabin, a home, a medical clinic, in this case represented by this breakout box. And you can also see we generate water and store that offline for your use. It's very simple to use. You hit the power button, you just turn it on, and then from there you can turn on things like a water maker, atmospheric water maker. And so what you were listening to is the operating noise, and starting up here will be the atmospheric water generator. So it's very quiet. It can be inside. We also have units that allow it to be outside, and it's just a turnkey home utility unit. As you can see from my size, I'm 5'10". It's about the size of a household refrigerator, and it was designed to be a home appliance that could go anywhere. So go to BluOasis.com and learn more about our products. Thank you.